Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to this beautiful 70-degree October day. Fall is on us. Looks like rain's gonna come tomorrow, so going for a ride with something I don't think I've ever done on this channel. Maybe I have, but doing a dual vlog with my little wife Kelly, but in a different way. This channel seems to be an introducing new motorcycle channel lately, if you haven't noticed. So let me show you the new family member. It's a 2021 Harley-Davidson FLRT Freewheeler, and my wife wanted that thing more than you could possibly imagine. So we picked it up for her last week, and she is in love with that thing. I love that 114 motor. I'm jealous. I keep telling her I'm gonna steal the motor off of hers and put it on my Road King. Oh, is that not beautiful or what? So let's go for a little ride. So this woman comes to me and told me she wanted herself a Harley trike, and it was quite a search. These days it's hard to find stuff that even sells at retail. We've had some pretty crazy prices. One of the prices was $4,100 over retail.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Plus tax, plus, freight, and then, some places charge setup PDI, but Harley reimburses the dealer for that, so they're double dipping. They're getting reimbursed for the charge, and then they're charging the customer on top of that.
Yeah.
Some places as high as $1,000. So, but anyway, we took some searching, and she stumbled across a place that had it, and we actually got it under MSRP, which is like unheard of. Absolutely unheard of in the state that the world's in at the moment.
Yeah.
Because supply and demand, there's way more demand than supply.
This is true.
People are motorcycle buying crazy here. So anyway, we ended up with it here last week. The exhaust on this thing sounds so good. I don't know why it's so different than this. The mufflers are much bigger. I had the tub off of it. The slash cuts were slightly off. Just one of my OCD things. But they're in there really straight now.
They're very aligned.
I thought I might have to loosen the, how on the back they have that hanger and they'll slide in that little rubber thing. I thought I might have to get to them, so I unbolted the whole rear, the tub and fender and everything all comes off as an assembly. Actually very easy to do. Just one big coupler, everything's tied in. Pretty simple.
Are we going to the park?
Yeah, you want to take a loop through there?
Sure.
We can go down to...
Stop and have a happy.
Alrighty. Come on, Road King. It's not that cool out here. Listen to that thing holding the high idle. It's going, hold on, let me warm up a little bit. It is beautiful out here.
It is that.
That tree looks so cool, and it's not there yet, obviously, but...
Are we going across the grass, or what are we doing?
No, it could be muddy down there with all the rain, so I was just going to go down here to the falls and walk around down there. There's nobody down there. Why are you holding such a high idle?
I was just in first, and it decided that's what it wanted.
No, I was talking about this thing. It's just it's just holding a high idle like it thinks the head temps are cold. You guys want a nice little close-up look? I didn't discover this until we got back from a ride yesterday, and I was putting it in the shop. But her Freewheeler comes with the fan on the oil cooler. I pull it in there and I'm clicking her into neutral, and all of a sudden, where's the fan sound coming from? It was coming from the bike. That thing is some kind of gorgeous. Super easy to ride. It's weird. I don't think I've ever ridden a trike that pretty much feels like a motorcycle. I mean, I ride spiders and stuff a lot too, so maybe I'm used to that flat profile, non-leaning kind of a thing going on, but I mean, that's the most motorcycle-like three-wheeler I've ever.
It definitely handles.
She's some kind of cool. Look at that. I went black. Or she went black, I went white. Yeah, as we were saying in another vlog. Oh, I'll probably save some battery and turn the key off. Used to everything nowadays, you just walk away and the fob takes care of it. It is a really cool sound hearing these two running together. Yeah, I love them Milwaukee-Eights. Holy moly. Talking about never getting trains. And that flashing yellow light that was down there. Son of a gun. You gonna walk down to the falls there, Mama? It's always so nice down here. The peaceful sound of water breaking across the rocks. It's kind of special there, Mama. That's some pretty cool looking motorcycles. What you reckon we take them, Mama? I'll take the white one, you take the black one. Yeah, there's somebody pulling up out here. It's never too late for a little picnic. It's amazing how cool that thing looks. That's cool when people come out here this time of day and have themselves a little picnic.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't turn these shocks down from when we rode two up.
Oh, are you kind of bouncy?
Yeah, she's got a little more compression than she should. Actually doesn't. It's just a spring preload. It doesn't change any compression on it. That's beautiful.
Oh, it's very pretty.
The he and she little Milwaukee-Eights family. Isn't that cute? Aww.
Isn't it adorable?
I was telling Kelly when we were putting our helmets and stuff on, the more I look at that thing, the better it looks. It's just the craziest thing. And it's so fun to ride.
Oh man, is it fun to ride.
Oh, look at that squirrel. Don't come back out.
Yeah, stay in there, you little bugger.
Sure been clearing that out a bit.
Yeah, they have.
That old house, you just... Oh, they're starting to pull pieces out of it now.
Yeah.
But she had collapsed here a couple, 3 years ago. Nice fence. They didn't have that fence around there. That's like really nice, actually.
Yeah.
Tomorrow the rain's supposed to come.
I know it.
I'm dreading it. That's when Mother Nature goes, nope. You're going to take a break from riding for a while. Kelly, pay attention to the driveway that goes along the white fence. I want a driveway like that that kind of leads in between the trees. Is that just purely country looking or what?
That is.
A little dirt road and all. This deserves a stand-up.
That's not me standing.
Still can't see over the edge. Plus my GoPro is mounted so low on my helmet. I see it. Y'all can't see it.
Yeah.
The runaway, the fly-by-wire took off. It won't let go.
Oh no.
You sure you're all... Any engine noises that need to be made get ricocheted back on the shield. I don't mind hearing a mechanical sound. Because you know it's running. You know it's alive.
Yeah.
The lights are off. That means there's nothing in the block. So today, instead of going up, just go straight. Because this is your favorite road, you remember.
Yeah. I like my new road.
It's a little rough, but you can handle it.
I can do her.
I know old FLRTy can. She can handle it real good.
Good.
That is just breathtakingly beautiful coming through here.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
I love how that one is. One screw, you take the seat off, and the adjuster comes up, and it has two hydraulic lines that control the preload on the shocks. It's awesome. You flip it up, but where you want it, flip it back down.
Yeah.
Right on, friend, right on. Somebody's got a fire going, and that smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Go up that road, it's a dead end, and it turns around, and there's like, I think 2 or 3 houses that spur off. It's almost like a cul-de-sac kind of a thing, but it's kind of very country, and the driveways are long, you know, dirt driveways. Here comes the dogs.
Oh, I bet.
Get yourself turned around and get out quick, 'cause they're coming. Just like our dogs. Nobody, hey, look at that.
Yeah.
Looks like a VTX. That guy never looked to his left, did he?
Nope.
That's that classic. You as a rider need to watch for the locals, because they're used to nothing ever being on their road, and they just pull out without looking.
Yeah.
That's why they say most serious accidents are within, what, 25 miles of home or something like that?
Yeah. You get complacent when there is, you know.
Yeah. Hi, Walter Road.
He's off there. There's that house on this side.
It could be cool, or it could just scare the heck right out of you.
Yeah.
There's a shop for us right there, Mama.
That's company.
Bigot.
What the heck is all that?
Put a daggum little tar patch and a hole in the road.
Great.
Yeah, I'm looking at the house and ran right through it.
Yep. I was looking up there and I'm going, what's the ching 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 sound?
Yeah, it sounded like it was going through your front fender too. Luckily, these things have fairly big fenders.
Knocked it right out.
We'll take you guys for a little loop through
I had
old
it, but
downtown.
I didn't know if you'd make it too. Oh, geez, guy.
Hey, because he's low, we don't want to.
Yeah.
I think he was giving us a thumbs up, but he was doing it so high. It was like he was adjusting his roof or something. The evening light going through here is always so pleasing. something fun for you to do. You got it.
Taking a left. Up here?
Stay to the right. So just past this minivan on your left, take a left.
You're pitiful.
You don't like it?
You don't like it?
You gotta do the little loop behind the store.
Yeah.
Or just, people see us coming down here, all running out. You can't come through here, you know.
Yeah.
Nobody's ever said anything. Hey, I'm advertising your Ace hardware, so
Yeah.
quit your crying.
Quit your crying.
Just don't exceed the 5-mile-an-hour speed limit. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it was.
Old FLRTy went behind the old Ace. He must have rented out that building, huh?
Yeah.
He's been working on it. Going through the 700 layers of paint from 1800 and something, or who knows when. Wonderful evening, Mama.
It is.
So you're gonna
Beautiful.
take a left here. And I gotta look at my train lights right quick too, you know.
Yeah.
Yep, they're all red. I gotta squeak open and pick up one of them tar rods. Well, you guys, I think from down here in Winlock, Washington, the little woman and I are gonna bid you adieu. And thank you guys for coming along for a little rip on the Roadie Road King and FLRTy.
Yeah.
FLRTy the Freewheeler. Alright, well thank you guys for coming along. And apologize for making new videos when we get a new motorcycle. That's about the only time I come on. I always try, actually I record a lot of things, but for some reason I don't like how they come out. But we'll show you this. You guys will enjoy it. And the daily vlog people, I told them that we took this ride, so they'll probably come over here and check it out too.
Yep.
Alright, the goodbyes always seem to be as we're going up a hill, so we'll make this no different. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Y'all take care.
Yeah, thanks again.